Hey, in front of me is OnePlus 10T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this OnePlus. You need to begin by opening Settings and choosing Privacy section after scrolling down. Now scroll down again and tap on App Lock. If you don't have your privacy password already, you need to just set password over here. Then swipe, click on Set, and enter your current login method. Over here you can click on Use a different password type and pick the best option for your apps. I will go with Pattern. Now enter it and repeat it. Then answer this security question over here, or if you don't like it, just click on it and tap on one of those. If you don't like any of them, just choose Custom Question and create your own. Then select Confirm and remember to answer it correctly below. Now click on Set Recovery Email over here and set up your email in case of forgetting privacy password. Now you can finally click on the check mark at the top right corner, choose Start, and tap on this gray sweater next to App Lock. Over here, just click on the sweaters next to apps that you wish to lock. In my case, Calendar. Then you can click on Use in this pop-up in order to use your face to unlock closed apps. I will go with Cancel though. So now when I go back and try to access Calendar, as you can see, Pattern is now required. In order to disable App Lock from your app, go into exactly the same settings, enter your privacy password and click on the sweater next to an app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!